Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use ChatGPT voice mode for hands-free learning. So, open ChatGPT app on your mobile device. You can tap that sound waves icon in the bottom right corner. Next, you're going to speak naturally to ask questions, practice new languages, or request study summaries. I won't be able to communicate using the voice mode in ChatGPT, unfortunately, because it's going to mess up the mic while I'm recording this tutorial. But in your case, go ahead and click the sound wave icon in the bottom right and just speak, right? You can ask ChatGPT to teach you a topic, provide step-by-step instructions, or even quiz you, right? You do not need to wait for a full response. You can interrupt the voice at any time to ask for a simpler explanation, more details, or a different pace, right? After the session, a full transcript is available on your screen to review notes or missed concepts later. So, for example, you can tell ChatGPT that let's practice conversational Spanish. You are a waiter in Madrid and I'm the customer. Correct me if I make a mistake, right? So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time.